Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and fix a blurry story on your Instagram. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your app store right here, or you could just go ahead and open up Google Play Store depending on the device that you are using. Inside, you could just go ahead and search Instagram, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram to your device. This will ensure that you are connected within the latest servers of Instagram, and this will go ahead and get rid of some major or minor problems that's happening within the application. Now, the next thing to do after updating your Instagram application is to go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. You may be having some trouble if you are connected to your cellular data, and oftentimes internet connection or Wi-Fi connection is stronger than your cellular data. So you have to go ahead and try to connect to a stable internet connection, and maybe that can go ahead and fix the problem. And if that doesn't fix the problem, we could just go ahead and proceed by opening up the Instagram application right here. And inside our Instagram, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon. And inside your profile icon, you could just go ahead and click on the three lines above or at the corner of the screen. And after clicking on it, we are actually looking for a settings called data saver, or in other terms, it is called the data usage and media quality. It's right under the section called your apps and media. So just go ahead and open these settings up, and inside you will be able to see two main settings right here. For the first one, we have the used less cellular data, so you have to make sure that this setting is turned off. And for the second one, we have the upload at the highest quality, so of course you want this option to be turned on. So guys, in that way you will be able to fix the blurry stories on your Instagram. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.